Yeah, she's got some good turning. And we got the torque steer a little bit. Good afternoon and welcome back to Peter's Autovlog. Today we're gonna guys get behind the wheel of this 2022 Honda Civic Si sedan. Pretty excited to get behind the wheel of this generation of Si sedan. I drove the regular Civic not too long ago on the channel if you want to browse my channel, but I have not got behind the wheel of this 6-speed manual Si sports sedan, and very eager. Big thank you again to Bartow Ford for allowing me some time with this Civic sedan. A big thank you to my friend Tim. I'm gonna put all their information and a link to their website in the description below. Hey ladies and gentlemen, here we have this 2022 Honda Civic Si, basically the first year that it came out for this generation. Of course, 6-speed manual, sports and suspension, and just a much better overall driver's car. This one here is finished off in diamond black, which is a very nice color. Of course, not easy to keep clean here in Florida. Very eager to ride this car, guys. I've never driven this generation of Si sedan, especially with a 6-speed manual. It's got some black, semi-black gloss wheels. Of course, this SIs are known to have a little bit bigger brakes. I think it's 12.3 inches in the front from the Accord, if I'm correct. We got a bit of lower springs, about 45% stiffer than the regular Civic. We got some Type R parts in the back with bushings, and we also got a bigger straightaway, if I'm correct. Don't quote me on that, but I believe this is what this SIs have. Of course, we get a turbocharged 200 horsepower inline 4 engine coming here to the back, guys. Really nice the way the sedan is. I really like it. As you can see, guys, it's really nice. This the lights. We got the SI badge here in the back, as you can see there. Really nice. Got the spoiler, and this one here has got all tint, all finished basically in black. Nice looking car. Black on blue would not be my thing. I would not get it a blue or white, but I just can't wait to even get behind the wheel of a Type R. But this SI will basically do for just in a minute, at least to get behind and experience it. And taking a quick look at the SI's engine, let's go ahead and pop the hood here. Obviously, we got to get our little hot rod here to grab a little stick here and put it where that belongs there. And here we have the 1.5 liter turbocharged inline 4 engine. This is producing 200 horsepower and 192 pound-feet of torque, if I'm correct, going through a 6-speed manual transmission, and of course only front-wheel drive. Now, I wish they Honda offered a all-wheel drive Civic, but we'll see in the future. But very good power plant, guys. Really nice and torquey engines compared to the older generation of SI engines that also of course included high revving VTEC engines like I'm used to having in my old days. I owned a couple of GSR Integras back in the day. Let's see how good this feels with the torque. They're pretty reliable, good cars, and of course also fuel efficient. I believe it's around 25 in the city, 32 in the highway. I'll put that information for you guys up on the screen, but overall a really nice engine. You can see this one here is pretty much stock. So let's go ahead, guys, drop the hood and get inside. Let's go ahead and now drop our hood there, get our hood rod back here. There we go. Just a quick note on the side, guys. We got, of course, as I mentioned, the black high nice wheels. We got 235 millimeter Goodyear Eagle Sport tires here on this one, and of course, as I mentioned, we got those Accord brakes here, 12.3 inches in the front. Let's go ahead, guys, and get inside and check out how this Civic is. That's really nice the way it is. We got some blind spot detection mirrors you can see there. Of course, inside here we got those red seats as well. Really nice bolstered seats, sports seat. We got the 6-speed manual, as you can see. It's really nice the way the Civic is. I'll kneel down here a little bit. We got the nice Civic badge right there. Love the red contrasting cloth there, as you can see. They're really nice the way all the red accents. Really fantastic what Honda has done with the Civic. So really cool the way that is. For about 40,000 miles this car has. It's actually in pretty good shape. You can see not as much wear and tear on this one at all. It's a little high in price for me for a little over 29, I think, what they're asking, but I'll put the price for you guys up on the screen. But let's go ahead, guys, and drop inside. Love the aluminum pedals there as well. Now here we are inside of this Honda Civic Si. Now, very nice interior. I love the interior of the Honda Civic. Basically the same line as all the Honda products are using, very similar. That we got a honeycombing kind of outlets of AC there, really nice. We got your basically 8-inch screen here. We got nice digital readouts. Really nice interior what Honda has done to this Honda, especially this Si model with all the red accents, the red stitching. The seats feel really nice, buckety type, of course, hold you in your butt in. Got a nice 6-speed manual transmission, of course, which kind of feels great. Hondas are known for a spectacular, basically transmissions to shift on. Really nice the way it is. Before we go on, let's go ahead and make sure our transmission is in neutral here. And let's go ahead and press the start-stop button, which is right over here. You can see us turning on our Civic. Make sure we are on neutral. Very nice interior, guys. Really like the way this is. As you can see, guys, we got 40,603 miles on this Civic. It's not bad. Obviously, I don't know if the Civics are a little bit low in inventory or it's not easy to get them. I could be honest with you, I don't know. So that's why they're asking a little higher than usual for this car. Let's go ahead and rev our engine a little bit, guys, see if we can hear it. A nice sport exhaust. Really sounds nice. Very nice sounding exhaust to this. So let's go ahead, guys, and close our door. So now that we got the door closed, we got some nice AC cooling down our interior. As you can see, guys, really nice interior, kind of a little bit of red themed accent and then as eyes. Love all this kind of honeycomb look to the dash. You can see there's a really cool the way the AC outlets are. We got a single zone AC, guys, a couple of USB ports, 12-volt connection. I don't believe there's a wireless charging pad right here. Of course, 6-speed manual drive modes. For drive modes, we got sport, normal, and individual. We are for right now living in sport. 40,603 miles. You can see there about half a tank. Really nice interior, even though this is about 40,000 miles. But the thing is, it does feel like somebody smoked in here before, which is a smell that's kind of hard to take out of cars. But definitely somebody smoked in here a little bit. You can definitely tell. But overall, really nice interior. Love the seats. The seats feel nice and bolstered. This lovely car, really great car that the ergonomics of what Honda has done into this car. Nice thick steering wheel here, as you can see there, with controls for the volume and all that stuff here. As you can see there, we get a 12 speaker Bang & Bose system in as well. Very nice system, as you can see there, for speakers. And overall, really nice car, guys. Mostly a basic transportation, but it is quick, fun. Got some really nice parts as well, and especially fun for driving. This is what basically these cars are made for. Obviously, my colleague Ted would own one of these before. He's got a Type R. So really fun car. Let's go ahead, guys, and go out and see how this drives. Kind of eager to do so. Let's go ahead and put our gear in first, and let's head out and up. We got to put the brake down, if I'm correct. Did I put that down? I did. Let's go ahead, guys, and head out and see how this Civic Si drives. It's been a while since I've driven a manual Civic or a manual Honda in this nature. It's been quite a bit of while, so I gotta get used to it. Sorry, guys, if it's a little bit dirty in here and it's a little bit later in the afternoon. I'm just kind of getting a little bit of a drive in this car before it sells. I think somebody was on it, but not till tomorrow. Oh, I love that short shift of this thing. Just feels so good. Gotta get used to the combination. I believe we also got a revised steering for this Si as well. So you don't have the regular steering. We got a revised sports steering for this particular model, this Si. Okay, just getting used to the. Let me get a little bit back here, guys. Just adjusting my seat a little bit, just to have a little more nice and. Yeah, very nice. This thing feels nice and taut. Very nice and composed. We can tell this thing is just nice. Now, of course, this is a used car. You don't know if somebody traded in for what reason. The steering feel, this has got a little bit of weird feeling to the steering. I don't know why. But the transmission is fantastic. I remember the Honda manuals are some of the best in the industry for sure. So we're doing about, 57. Feels good, stable. Steering feels nice and direct. Yeah, the car feels really nice and stable. Just really good. You can tell this thing is just fun. Pretty quiet, to be honest with you. We're in sport mode, so it gives a little more sporting demeanor. It could be the steering could also be, I don't know if Honda has its own lane keep assist, which also can be a pain in the ass. I don't know if that's on or off, but that kind of feels a little bit funky, the steering sometimes. I don't know, that could be just me. Whoa! So we're back in third. Fourth. The brakes do feel good. Feels pretty quick, peppy. Definitely feels light on its feet for sure. It does have also rev matching as well to help you out when you're, basically going out the curves. It's got a nice exhaust sound too. Oops. Yeah, it does sound pretty nice. A little bit of torque steer. A little bit of a, feels like the delay of, like a clutch delay valve or something going on. Which is pretty fun though. Pretty fun car, I'll be honest. Sorry if the camera's a little bit up. We got a bit of sun coming into the camera. But I hope you're catching the drive on this thing. And of course, this thing is, let me see if I can clean this thing off a little bit here. Yes, there we go. A little bit of some showers come along this side of town. Yeah, the suspension is on the stiffer side. You can definitely tell, got a bit of bounciness to it, but it's pretty comfortable. We don't need the wipers there anymore. And if we just shift to fifth, very easy. Pretty good on gas mileage, guys, as well. I'll put the figures for you guys up on the screen, or if I did during the engine scene. But yeah, this is a good fun car. It's comfortable enough. I mean, this is on the stiffer side of the suspension, but this is what you get in SI4. You can complain about ride, and of course you get a weights there a little bit. Easy to maneuver, easy to downshift with those assisted downshifts and the rev matching. I'm sure you can turn that off with some sort of button. The steering does feel a little bit wonky to me. It feels like sometimes it wants to turn it. Just a little bit interesting steering feel. I know it's got a revised steering rack as well for this side to make it more sporting, more feeling to it, but interesting way this feels. Yeah, turn on the left right here. Yeah, she's got some good turning. And we got the torque steer a little bit. Yeah, this is fun. Yeah, it definitely goes. It feels a little tight to me, like a bit. I don't know. Obviously, that's just me. I'm not gotten used to a Civic. I've never driven this type of generation before, and it's been a while since I've driven a manual Honda Civic or any type of this car in manual transmission. But it does feel great, though. It really kind of brings me back into my old days of my GSRs. Obviously, this got way more torque. Much more drivable in the city. Of course, the old VTEC engines, you had to rev the hell out of them. You had to drive it like you stole them. But very nice. Very nice the way this is. Good brakes. Yeah, this thing just really nice car the way this feels. If anybody owns one of these, let me know how you guys enjoyed this car. Reliability, if you, of course, people modify them a lot. But this things feel pretty good though. Easy clutch modulation once you get used to the clutch engagement and how short the shaft is. Love the interior. The interior is very nice, comfortable. The cowl is low, so you get good visibility out of this car, and it feels comfortable. I'm sure this is, if you on it nice, you're gonna be pretty good gas mileage on it, to be honest. And nobody coming. It's good to go. Let me give a little bit of gas here. Does feel like she's got a little bit of synthetic noise coming into the system. That's my feeling to it. But she's got some pretty good power though. I can imagine the Type R just a much step ahead. But this is actually a good feeling car. I like the way this feels. Very playful. Yeah, it's got some good feeling. I like the way this thing is. Turn in. Yeah, she's got a little bit of. This Goodyear Eagles are screaming a little bit, but yeah, she does feel very good though. Very good car. A little bit of understeer, but that's just normally the way they're tuned from the factory. But I hope you guys been enjoying this quick drive of this Honda Civic. As I just wanted to give you guys a quick drive. Never driven this car before, and I'm sure they're gonna sell it quickly. I saw it on the lot. Price wise, I think this is priced pretty high. I'll be honest. I don't think it's $29,000, but you can almost get a brand new one for another $2,000-$3,000. So let me know what you guys think of this Honda Civic. I appreciate you guys if you guys made it this far into the video. Thank you for watching, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.